welcome back to another video of Festivity. Today we have Friendo. Say hi, Mama Holloway.
Hi, Mama Holloway. Oh, I'm Mama Holloway.
This video is actually Mummo's idea. Well,
I do have good ideas.
That's debatable.
Okay, well, we're doing it.
You have some good ideas.
Some good.
A quick reminder that this year the videos of Festivity are raising money for Macmillan Cancer Support. You will not believe the amount of times I said that incorrectly in past videos. It's a wonderful charity doing some great things for those who are diagnosed with cancer, with financial benefits, emotional support, mental support,
everything.
Support.
Everything you
Any
need.
kind of support that people with cancer diagnoses need. So it is a really amazing charity. Please do follow the link down in the description or the link on the card right now and donate as much or as little as you can. Every little helps. Basically, in front of us, we have a video of Christmas cupcake decorating hacks. Now, I've already done the baking this year. So here's 12 I made earlier. Totally didn't cheat, totally didn't buy them. I even thought I'd provide them in this lovely plastic container so you can see them for all their glory. We also just have the one colour of icing because Tesco's let me down.
It's like having Mr. Bean on camera, isn't it?
It's like having a child on camera is what it's like. Basically the premise is we are going to watch through the video. I think there's 4, maybe 5. Lots of them are flowers. One of them includes
powder stuff.
That's waffle cones, but sure.
Oh!
Flower stuff. Do you know how difficult it was to find those in Tesco's? I had to ask someone.
Really?
They are not in a logical
Tesco's
place.
10 waffle cones?
Yeah, but
with
where
ice cream stuff?
No, see, they're not.
Oh.
What aisle would you say the ice cream stuff's in?
Frozen one, and on top of the frozen ice cream.
They were in the tea and coffee aisle. We are going to decorate these cupcakes or attempt to replicate what we have here. We have cool frosting kit, icing kit. It should hopefully have all of the tippies we need. Wow. Well, we only have one, so we're going to have to take this in turns. You guys can judge, although I'm sure you'll do it so unfairly it doesn't matter. Who does the best job of decorating the cupcakes? Are you ready? Stop gesturing like I can't see you. So the first one is our one with a waffle cone.
Oh, we can open this.
Cone. Oh, we've got to cut it.
Can I open it first?
Put it on the thing. Oh, she just told us what tip she had, and I didn't see. But it looks like this one. Let's use a 5. Do you trust me to cut them, or do you want to cut them?
You can cut them.
Should I leave you in charge of working out how this works? Oh.
Did it go on the top?
How do I... That's why you got to cut it. You broke it.
I didn't break it, it had crumbs.
You broke it. Can't believe you would do something like that.
I know how to break it.
Stop eating it. We need that. Got to sit on top of the cupcake.
Yes. So I'm going to go for about there. There you go. Is that right size?
Yeah. We just need another one now.
Need 2 of them.
Yeah, because we're both doing it.
Okay. Stop eating it.
I'm not eating it.
Stop eating it. You told me I wasn't allowed to eat it. Stop eating it. Might be better to just gently saw around it, because otherwise it does what it did just now.
How much concentration you got going on right now? Don't cut your fingers. I won't take you to A&E.
Oh, see? Practice. There we go. We've even got a whole bit there.
I just blonk this in here, right?
Yeah. Spoon it in.
Am I going first or are you?
I don't care. You go first.
Okay. So, she basically just blobs around the tree. Blob, blob, and builds up the blobs so it looks like a Christmas tree. That's what we're going for. How effective is this going to... That didn't work. Mum, it opened. The handle came off. Okay, right. So she just goes bidaloop, 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 bidaloop. I don't know if I wanted to go first, actually. You get to watch how I fail and rectify and be like, I'm so good, I know what I'm doing.
Why would you think I'd want to do that?
Blonk. My cupcake's falling out of its case. I'm gonna start blaming everything but me.
Oh, you're making a tree.
Did you not watch the video?
No, I was just asked to come in the video. I didn't watch the video.
You sent me this video of all the the cupcake decorations.
I did.
But you didn't watch it.
Yeah.
This icing is not quite.
Blame the icing.
I'm going to blame everything but me. Okay, I put 2 and a bit scoops of icing in this. I've run out of icing.
Have you? I'm going to put...
There's mine. Oh, here, let me just...
Do you undo this? Do you undo this?
Ta-da!
Help me.
You push that in to get this up.
Yep.
Then you twist the base.
It's more interesting watching us trying to work this contraption out.
This was not what the video was supposed to be. There we go. And then it releases.
And now I can put my icing in. How many did you put in?
1 and a bit.
Oh, I'm going to put more than that. There it goes.
There you go.
I'm going to do a base first. Like a base on my tree. It's a wonky tree.
I tried to flatten it for you. What did you do with the rest of that stuff?
You're going to eat it, aren't you? So now I have a base.
What the hell are you doing?
A tree. Just a different tree to yours.
Mine's more tree-like. I can't believe you guys are going to vote that she's done better than me on this one. Yours just looks like a blob. A snowy blob of blobbiness.
Exactly, it's been snowing and the tree's covered in snow. I'm gonna make a star on the top. Look at that! That's my tree and that's Alice's tree.
Annoyingly not awful. But I followed the video. I was following what the lady was showing us to do. Is this what it's going to be now? I'm going to follow the video and you're just going to make it up a star.
I'm a mum.
Here are our first cupcakes. You let us know who did better. The person who followed the tutorial or the one who did not.
It doesn't look like her tree.
Mine looks closer to her tree than yours. And then she's going to put baubles and things on it, but I didn't buy any of those. So we can't
So
do
you
that.
wrote me into half a job, Annie.
I thought about it as I was leaving, and I'd already been in the shop at that point, and I couldn't be bothered to go back.
I don't know.
She's even got glitter. We've got some of that. We can glitter spray it if you want to.
What with?
We've got edible glitter spray.
Have we?
Yeah, I bought it for something else.
Maybe not.
Because I think we're doing flowers now. It gets a bit more complicated.
Oh.
Oh no, we're going to do a wreath.
A wreath.
A wreath. Ours is going to be a white wreath because we have white icing. And then she puts stuff on it. So this one's pretty simple. It's just boop, boop, boop. Oh, that's actually really cute. Look at that. Why didn't you tell me I had this? I could have made my gingerbread cake so cute.
What, my icing set?
So much more cuter than he was. Boop.
So, I've got to beat that, have I?
There you go, there's my wreath. It's a little bit, some stars were a little under. You might need some more icing in, because I felt that was running out as I got to the end.
Yes. No, help me, help me, help me, help me.
Mummy! Alice?
Alice,
Alice?
Alice.
No, we don't need to get Dad involved.
Dad?
Why is it so tight now?
Just sit on the instructions.
Do you think I read the instructions? Can you read French? Because, oh no, wait, maybe here. How do I release? How about Spanish? Can I offer you German? Seppe glassa e biscotti.
I biscotti.
How about some Italian? This is not cumbersome at all. Can't we just open the bottom?
Well, I thought you might be able to. You can open the bottom, but then that's to replace these things. But I suppose you can do it like that.
I vote we do it like this. Go ahead. You might need a few more ratchets before it gets...
Christmas tree, have a have a booby holiday.
A booby holiday.
Have you paid your PRS?
No. You must sing rights-free music only. That's all we can play on this channel. Why have you put one in the middle?
Because I wanted to be different.
It's supposed to be a Christmas wreath.
Oh.
All right, okay. Well, here you are then. There are 2 attempts. Honestly, I don't think either of us did amazingly well on this one.
No.
But the thought was there.
It's a reef. If we had the baubles, it would look like a reef.
Now you're gonna blame me.
And if we had green...
I'll go get that edible glitter. Don't talk to me about the colour of the icing. I tried.
Well, this food
Tesco's
guy...
let me... No, I wasn't gonna mix it all up, was I? See, she's got cute little bows, aren't they
Why
cute?
haven't we got bows?
Because Tesco's didn't have them.
I'm disappointed,
And I
Mal.
didn't look for them. Okay, we need a new tip now. Oh, we're doing a poinsettia.
We got one of them.
We do, but watch the lady or you won't get it right. She then sprinkles something in the middle too, but we don't have that either before you yell at me. Okay, do you have the right tip? No, that's not the right tip. I think she's using this one.
Looks like she's using that one.
Is she using a 2 or is she... Okay, well,
I'm going to use this
we're
one.
about to find out which one she is possibly using. I didn't see which one she used, and this is the one I think she's used. I've snooked up myself because it's not the direction I want it, but I kind of want to go. Did she go from the middle or that? I didn't remember. Okay. Ooh. Mistakes might have been made.
He wasn't watching the video properly.
It's my interpretive dance of a poinsettia. Poinsettia?
Poinsettia.
Poinsettia. And then she did on top. Petals. Unless I go from the outside to the middle. Maybe that's what I'm doing wrong. Yeah, Alice, that's what you're doing wrong. Oh my gosh, guys! How realistic! You know what? I'd have genuinely thought there was like a real flower on top of that cupcake. Just saying, that's so accurate and definitely what she did in the video.
I think you might have the wrong
I'm
tip.
gonna be really annoyed if you've got the right tip. I want you to be wrong. Be wrong. See, yours isn't. That's not the right tip either. Yours looks as poopy as mine did. She's gone rogue. She's not making a poinsettia anymore. She's also realised she's got the wrong tip.
You've made a spider on copying you. That's not the right tip, is it?
No, it's not. I don't think we have the right tip. Annoyingly, I think I bought the right tip, but we need a piping bag for it, so we can't use it.
And one's on the top.
Oh my gosh, Mum! I totally thought that was a real flower on top of yours.
Yours is like a spider. Mine looks like a flower.
More like a flower than yours does. No, that's cheating. Stop cheating.
Now she's
It
got...
looks so good. And that looks so easy. She's just going bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh, here's some little petals. Bloop, bloop, bloop.
And there's some like gold
bloop,
bits in the
bloop,
middle.
Bloop. Yeah, well, we'd never have those because I didn't buy them. Here we go for the next cupcake. Oh, I know what tip we need for this one.
That's the one we got.
I think that's the one you were using.
Yes.
And then, okay, we're making a tree, but not a standing tree. You gonna go first on this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you putting more icing in?
Yeah.
Do you need some help?
Yeah. Ready?
Yep, put my ring back on.
3, right?
Tree. Oop, bloop.
That didn't help with my tree.
No, that's not what she did. You're doing it different to her again.
I can't remember what she did.
We've had 5 minutes of fighting to get the damn icing thing open.
She did it in one go.
She did it like this.
You're going to show them, that's my...
She went... meow.
Oh, she did. Wider.
And then she did this. Oh my gosh, that is the cutest little tree. I'm sorry. I definitely won that round. See how great mine came out because I did it right?
I've got some cakes left. Can I have another go?
No, we might have another thing to do. I can't remember how many are on the video.
If
you tell me her tree is better than mine, you are actually lying this time. Can you tell them they're lying as well?
I will say your tree is better than mine.
Thank you. Oh,
Sort
she's doing
of.
something else now.
Oh
I
my...
think it's another reef. We've done this.
We've done a reef. Yeah. Oh, she's got different colour baubles.
I'm really tempted to smush this in your face. Yeah.
You wouldn't.
Don't test me. Oh, she's got a different... Oh, okay, we're doing something different now. Is it snowman? Is it snowman? No, it's just a standing tree. Okay, you think we need that one?
Or
You don't
maybe
think we
the
need
fat
this one? Or this one
Fat
with all of the...
Yeah, that one.
It looks like a snowman. It's going to be a tree.
You
I'm
know
gonna show
you're
you how
about to
it's gonna-
shoot somebody.
I'm going to show you how it's done. I really wanted to just go boop and like blob your nose. It was tempting, but I'm going to be a good girl.
How many of the audience think that she should blob my face?
I mean, I think it's more like a snowman, but that is what she did. We just don't have anything to put on it. Oh God, I've got icing all over my hand now. You can say you want a big base. My guy's drunk. Is your guy going to be drunk? Oh. Yours has got a weird head.
It's like
But mine's drunk.
it's like a white poo.
Mine's like, hello, hello. Yours is a white poo and mine's drunk. Neither of them look like trees. Neither of them
She's
look
got
like what she's
different
done, to be
icing to
fair.
us.
I think
She's
her
got
icing
royal
is
icing.
thicker. Is that what I needed?
That's thicker. She's got more balls.
Next time, you go shopping for the video. We have another cupcake each.
Yeah, let's do whatever we think.
Oh God, okay.
I think we've just about got enough icing left.
And then we'll show everybody the grand reveal. We seriously used 400 grams of icing. That's ridiculous.
We'll just make Dad eat the cakes.
I'm not going to change the tip because I can't be bothered. But didn't mean to do that. Okay, we'll just not wasting any icing. Okay, so I want to go bloop, 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 bloop.
What are you doing? What are you making?
Bloop, bloop, bloop,
You're just blooping.
bloop, bloop, bloop,
Ooh,
bloop,
flower.
bloop.
Is it snow with a tree in the middle?
There you go. I'm going to call my creation, Oh Christmas Tree, a festive surrounding of the big Christmas tree in the middle of the park. You've gone for cute points, haven't you?
Don't make me laugh.
You've gone for a moral victory here. Christmas decorating cupcakes, this video is called.
It's a snowman.
That is not a
It says
snowman.
I make his nose bigger, then he's a snowman. There you go.
Oh.
Hey, don't follow. Hey, God.
Wow. No, I don't. I'm not actually a massive fan of this icing. It's very sweet. What are you doing now? You're just wasting the icing now, aren't you? You're going to write help. Why? Do you need help?
With this then?
Yes! True that. Oh, that's my ring. True that, true that. Here are all of our cupcakes from today. You let us know unbiasedly if you can stomach it. I still think this is probably the one I'm proudest of, my 2D tree. Poinsettias, we really used the wrong thing. I'm quite happy with the wreath as well, and I'm quite happy with my tree, my cone tree.
My cheese is a taller one. God, don't eat.
This is why you don't eat the icing. Do let us know down below who you think did better. If you don't vote for my 2D tree, no presents for you. Santa's not coming. But anything else, you can kind of vote how you want. Do think
If you vote for all of mine to win, Santa will definitely come to your house.
You know what, Will? Make sure Santa comes to your house this year. That's right, it's being festive and donating to a great cause. That is Macmillan Cancer Support down in the top of the comment section. I can't put it back in the video now, but if you want to click it from within the video, go back to the big green card that was at the beginning and click that little link. Give as much or as little as you can this festive time. Every little helps. Anything more for you to add before we say goodbye?
Happy Christmas.
Okay. Happy Christmas. But for now, thank you so much for hanging out with us today. It's been an absolute blast as always. If you enjoyed this video, go show that like button some icing sticky hand filled love. And if you want to support the channel, go hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss next time I upload a video. Stay awesome. You tell them when we'll see you all
In the next video.
How are you eating this icing?
I don't know, sickly.
It's really sweet.